Soundproze production, Sound Show Radio. Harlem Week. Crazy out here right now. Gotta come out and get some coverage of Harlem Week. Crazy out here. I gotta go in the shade, it's dumb hot. Gotta take it to the shade, it's dumb hot. Fuck.
It's on all digital platforms. Check it out. I also say with Blue Magic for those that
it's hot out here, all dark-skinned people in trouble today out here, boy. Man. It's stupid hot out here. Gotta step to the side real quick. Yeah, it's stupid hot out here. Well, I had to step to the side for a second. See, it's hot, though. I figure I'd come out here and get a little bit of coverage of Harlem Week, though. It's crazy out here, dude. It's mad hot out here, yo. H2 Soundproze production, Sound Show Radio. I don't even feel like being in crowds today, man. But I have to come out and get some footage of Harlem Week. Stay tuned. We're going to walk through. We're going to walk through. About to walk down a little bit, man. Give me a second, man. I'm standing in the shade for a second so I can cool off and then I'm gonna walk through. That's a fact. I didn't even come out here with nobody. I'm in Harlem. I don't need to. I'm gonna just roll up and see who out there. Harlem Week. Man, nice out here. How we do, man? It's two of the Soundproze production, Sound Show Radio. Stay tuned. I know it's dumb hot out here, yo. Everybody's sweating and shit, dude. That's a fact. Stay tuned, Harlem Week, man. We gonna walk through right now. Wipe my face and I'm gonna walk through. Let's go. How we do? Harlem Week, NYC. How we do? We're doing a walkthrough. Everybody see what's going on out here.
Sweat it, sweat it, I break the heel, sweat it, sweat it, I break the heel, sweat it, sweat it, I break the heel, sweat it, sweat it, oh my God. Let me see some footwork. 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 I be the voice of the stage.
That's your first health center right here.
So I say fresh like that. East Coast, West Coast. Say a footwork up in the UK. Still sweating out, that's my new word. And this one is for the kids.
How we do?
Sweat it, sweat it,
Sound Show Radio.
sweat it, sweat it,
Live coverage, Harlem Week, NYC.
sweat it, sweat it. Let me see some footwork. 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 Let me see some footwork.
keep walking in a minute, man. Let's get my little, get this quick off real quick. I don't want to keep writing my competition.
I can feel the wind pass my face as we dance tonight on.
I'm the DJ 62 on the ones and twos. You know how we do, man. Soundproze Radio. You know how we do, man. DJ 62's on the music right now. Live coverage of Harlem Week. You know what I mean? Thank you, my guy. Gotta get with him. Thank you, my guy. Shout out to everybody that's out here enjoying themselves. I said I had to come out here and get some coverage. I don't need to bring nobody with me. I'm in Harlem. I'm just going to bump into people that I know while I'm out here. You already know how we do. It's with the Soundproze, Soundproze Radio. It's working, man. I'm also enjoying myself at the same time. Shout out to Harlem Week, man. You know how we do. Shout out Harlem Week. We're going over to the stage.
No music. We don't need no music.
How we go?
You want to talk about Miss Carrie Young, a daughter of Harlem, Tony Award winner, currently starring in Purpose.
Digital book bag.
Also stars in Curly Victorious.
Like what you got going on, man? That's fire. That's fire. That's fire.
Who lived in Harlem and have streets named after them in Harlem.
That's hot.
I'm your Instagram. Daughter of Harlem.
What's your Instagram?
So listen.
Right here.
Don't play with us. You know Harlem is
I come up alive, I'm gonna link you up, my guy.
Is Harlem the Mecca?
That's a fact.
Or what? I don't know. Y'all must be from Wisconsin. Y'all don't know. I'm not really getting the Harlem love right now. I don't think so. Coming back, who's up? DJ Bravo or DJ King James? Who's up?
That's a fact, man.
Let's get busy with it. It's my pleasure to be here with you, sharing your experience.
Got the digital backpack.
Hi, Kim. My sister is here. My cousin is here.
Yeah, I'm on live right now, though.
Oh, let's have another jazz.
I got you.
Can someone name for me the artist in that beautiful mural on 135th Street across from the precinct? Who's that, brother? Dizzy Gillespie. That's it. I wish I had a big cash prize for you. I'm just saying thank you and lots of appreciation that you know. Hey, come on, family, WACR family. And if you're not familiar, there is a 134th Street Walk of Fame, if you will.
Harlem Week goes from 5th Avenue all the way to 7th, 135th Street, man. I'm walking all the way through. What's up, boy? What's up, my nigga? That's hot as a fuck out here, my nigga. I didn't even know this weather going on. Out here, I just came through. It just fucking out here. So came through. What's up, G.Heez?
Yo, what's up? You already know,
boy.
You know what I'm saying? Home team shit. You know that shit.
Yo, man, good to see you. You know I'm supposed to see you, bro. It's supposed to happen. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, right? I was about to go out there a little bit. I ain't going front. I was going back there a little bit.
Hi, sir.
Go talk to niggas and shit.
What is,
Yeah,
this is a treat. This is a big treat.
You know that shit. This all the
I'm old enough
There's a lot
to
of-
remember you on the Lumbo.
in an hour.
Oh, come on close.
We going,
Come
man.
on, the
that's a
Lumbo. Yeah.
So my nigga G.Heez, man, looking good.
But
You
he was acting.
know, I came out here like a creep. I don't need to come with nobody. We home, my nigga. I just want to see who I'm see. You came with us.
Listen, get a t-shirt.
I know.
Forgot about this shit, bro. Back to like, oh, shit.
And then you got out and came back,
I'm
right?
still parked on the corner.
Yeah, you good. I ain't even come with the car. I left from Esplanade over here. I ain't even drive.
Right over here.
Yep.
I'm mad because the music low.
Man, we walking through, B.
Right.
Harlem Summer Week, you already know. You see what we doing, G.Heez? You see, I'm trying to take this Soundproze radio thing to the next level. You know what I'm saying? As I should, you know what I mean? They forgot, Heez, that I wasn't online for a whole year. So if I come back and I start going crazy now, they can't be mad at me. What's up, Nate? What's up, cuz?
For so long, it don't even matter how long.
Right.
Come right back.
That's a fact. What's up, cuz? How you feeling? Running into family now. You know I'm on live doing my radio media and all of that. What's up, family?
See you good.
How you doing?
Yeah.
You see me and Kill last show?
What?
Oh no, we crushed that joint.
Oh, okay.
I miss you, fam. You know we going to talk.
Yeah, me from the hill. Go back to the car.
My God,
Love you.
love you, my nigga. See you later, Biz. That's a fact. See you later, Biz. My nigga. Love. Good to see you, my girl. That's a fact, man. G.Heez, Biz, Harlem Week. You already know, man. It's coming through, man. Just checking everybody. It's a fact. Yo, City, what's up, my guy? Good to see you. Remember me, right?
Yeah.
What's up? Quick job with you?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, man? Look, I ran into the City of the Kid. You know, I'm a girl. What's up, my guy?
What's going on, man?
God, man.
Harlem Week.
Do your name one more time. Let me know your name one more time.
C King, man.
C King.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
did.
Shout out to C King. You already know how you do, man.
Appreciate the love.
That's
man.
a fact, man. Good to see you out here. Everybody out here, Harlem Week. You know, shout out to C King. You know what I mean? I just saw G.Heez. All of that, you know how we do, man. That's a fact, man. Harlem Week, it's a beautiful thing out here, man. We just gonna walk around, see what's going on. I gotta wipe my face because the sun is crazy out here. There's a lot going on out there. Harlem Summer Week, you don't know. So out here doing some live coverage for Soundproze Radio. You know how we do.
I got my baby.
Like, what's up, Lot?
Hey.
How you been? How we doing, man? How we doing, man? I'm enjoying myself. I'm about to go down to the other side, and I'm gonna see what's going on the other side. Let's go.
Yo, y'all know why she going up, right? Check it. Yo, trying to hide her on my focus the mama, mama, and I keep it, and I love it, the son of mama, always love it, mama, how you get me,
Wow, look at this tower on my head, big. Yo, it is hot out here, boy. The sun is beaming like a motherfucker. Ran into my boy G.Heez, ran into Biscuit, ran into C the King, you know what I'm saying? A couple other people, you know what I mean? We're gonna see what's going on. We moving, you know what I mean? Soundproze Radio, you know how we do. H2 of the Soundproze, man. There's a few little tenders out here right now, but I'm working, you know what I'm saying? I'll come off camera, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what's good. You know what I mean? That's what we doing, that's what we doing. We going down to the other side, see what's going on down here, big. How we do. Stay tuned, H3 Soundproze Production, Soundproze Radio. Harlem Week coverage, man. Look at this. get a shade break. I'll let you in a minute. Taking a shade break like beer. I can't deal with this sun, man. Yeah, I'm gonna call y'all back. I'm gonna hit y'all back in a minute. Stay tuned for part 2. All on week coverage.